today we will discuss about the concentration of a solution in terms of weight by volume, volume by volume, and weight by weight. So weight by volume, and volume by volume, or in all these cases, the numerator weight by volume, the numerator will tell me about the solute. So LUTE, solute or kotha kobo numerator to. For example, if I consider weight by volume percentage, it was a percentage generally, so it is generally a percentage. For example, if I am telling 40% sodium hydroxide weight by volume, so 40% sodium hydroxide weight by volume, 40% sodium hydroxide weight by weight, 40% sodium hydroxide volume by volume. So a gutei gitare meaning to beleg. So if I take weight by volume, it is the mass of solute in gram present per 100 ml of solution. 100 ml solutionot kiman gram solute ase, 100 ml solutionot kiman gram solute ase, that is called weight by volume solution. So 100 ml is a volume unit. So for example, if I take Y% NaOH weight by volume solution, so if I take Y% NaOH solution weight by volume, it means Y gram NaOH in 100 ml solution. Y% NaOH weight by volume mane ki Y gram NaOH 100 ml solution out of. Okay, so I can also calculate it using the relation weight of solute in gram by volume of solution in ml into 100%. Ami solute or weight gramot lom, solution or volume to milliliter lom, solute or weight to solution or volume divide kori 100 multiply kori, and we will get weight by volume percentage of a solution. So for example, let us take a question. Find the weight by volume percentage of a solution in which 20 gram NaOH is dissolved in 100 ml water. So it is very simple. Weight by volume composition equals to weight of solute. This is the NaOH is the solute. Weight of solute by volume of solution. So if the solute is a solid, then volume of solvent and volume of solution are equal. So we divide weight of solute by volume of the solution in milliliter and multiply it by 100. So 20 gram by 100 milliliter into 100. So 20 by 100 into 100, I get 20% weight by volume percentage. So let us take one more question. Find the weight by volume percentage of a solution in which 40 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 50 ml of water. So I can do it in a simple way. So I divide weight of solute by volume of solution in ml. So weight of solute 40 gram, volume of solution 50 ml into 100. So it comes out to be 80%. So instead of doing it in this manner, I can also do it in another manner. So 40% weight by volume percentage ki kore 100 ml solution ot kiman gram solute ase. So 50 ml solution. So if I have 50 ml water, 50 ml solution ot jodi 40 gram NaCl thake, তেতিয়া 100 ml solution ot kiman gram NaCl thakibo. So I can do it in this way also. 100 ml solution ot 80 gram solution thakibo. That means 80 gram solute is present in 100 ml solution. That means weight by volume is 80%. Weight by volume is 80%. Okay. So let us see one more question. Find the weight by volume percentage of a solution in which 30 milligram of NaCl is dissolved in 50 liters of water. So while defining weight by volume percentage, I already told you the weight should be in gram, volume of solution should be in milliliter. So gram by milliliter into 100. Okay. So 30 milligram of NaCl, that is 30 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram. 50 liter of water means 50,000 milliliters. So weight by volume percentage will be weight of solute in gram by volume of solvent, volume of solution in ml into 100%, which comes out to be 6 into 10 to the power minus 7%. Okay. So let us see one more question in this respect. Calculate the molarity of a solution of 250 ml of 30% sodium hydroxide in water. 30% sodium hydroxide loise what? 30% sodium hydroxide solution loise water. Kiman ml loise? 250 ml loise. So if I consider 30% sodium hydroxide, that means 30 gram NaOH in 100 ml solution. Okay, 30% money ki 30 gram in 100 ml. তেতিয়াহ'লে 250 ml কিমান থাকিব 100 ml যদি 30 গ্ৰাম থাকে 250 ml কিমান গ্ৰাম থাকিব NaOH 30% NaOH মানে কি 30 গ্ৰাম NaOH in 100 ml solution 30 গ্ৰাম NaOH in 100 ml solution so 100 ml solution 30 গ্ৰাম NaOH আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে 250 ml solutionৰ কিমান গ্ৰাম NaOH থাকিব we will calculate that using the unitary method so I get in 250 ml solution there is 75 gram NaOH so 75 gram NaOH means how many moles 75 by 40 moles it is 1.875 moles so molarity is so the volume of the volume of the solution is 250 ml so the molarity will be number of moles of solute by volume of solution so 1.875 mole by 250 ml that means 0.25 liter so it comes out to be 7.5 molar so in that way we can calculate molarity of a solution using weight by volume percentage okay so you see one more question the molarity of a 300 milliliter solution of 25% sodium sulfate weight by volume in water is so you calculate the molarity of 25% sodium sulfate weight by volume in water if I give you 100 ml of solution please do it and submit in homework now we can also measure concentration of a solution in terms of volume by volume percentage so generally we use volume by volume percentage for liquid mixtures that means solute and solvent both are liquid so if solute is a liquid solvent is also a liquid then we use volume by volume percentage okay so it is defined as the ratio of volume of solute by volume of solution into 100% so volume of solute or jitu volume hobo etu moi solution or volume ere divide kori 100 e multiply kori dim provided numerator and denominator have the same unit okay now here one thing we should tell you is for a mixture where solute is a liquid and solvent is a liquid in that case the volume of solvent and volume of solution are not equal এনেকুৱা ক্ষেত্ৰত solution আৰু solventor volume দুইটা equal নহবও পাৰে বা generally নহয় যেতিয়া solute to এটা solid হয় তেতিয়া solventor volume আৰু solutionৰ volume একেই হয় কিন্তু যদি solute to liquid হয় তেতিয়া solventor volume আৰু solutionৰ volume বেলেগ হৈ যায় why because if the solute is a liquid then যদি মই এটা liquid solute লওঁ আৰু এটা solvent লগত mix কৰি দিও volume to বাহি গুছি যাব that means solventor volume to extra বেলেগ আৰু liquid এড হৈ গৈছে ন তেতিয়া overall volume of the solution will be more than the volume of the solute so let us take a problem if 50 ml of HCl is present in 100 ml of solution the volume by volume percentage of the solute is so please remember volume of solute by volume of solution okay 50 ml of HCl is present in 100 ml of solution the volume by volume percentage is so volume of solute by volume of solution into 100% that is 50% it is a simple one now let's see the second one if 30 ml of nitric acid is present in 200 ml of water find the volume by volume percentage of nitric acid so water is the solvent so here water is the solvent এতিয়া water volume 200 ml যদি মই ইয়াত 30 ml nitric acid দি দিও তেতিয়াহলে solution volume to বাহি গুছি যাব ন here the volume of solution equals to volume of nitric acid plus volume of water so volume of solvent is not equal to the volume of solution so volume of water is the volume of solvent and volume of solution are not equal that means volume of solution is volume of nitric acid plus volume of water equals to 30 ml plus 200 ml equals to 230 ml so volume of volume percentage is volume of solute by volume of solution into 100% equals to 13% okay so I can tell volume by volume weight by volume and weight by weight in a different sense also মই এনেকেও লিখিব পাৰো volume by volume percentage for if I have a solution of sodium hydroxide and water মই এনেকেও ক'ব পাৰো volume by volume percentage of sodium hydroxide. What is the volume by volume percentage of, what is the weight by volume percentage of sodium hydroxide? এনেকেও ক'ব পাৰো নাইবা মই এনেকেও ক'ব পাৰো what is the weight by volume percentage of water. I can find weight by volume and volume by volume for solvent as well as solute. যদি মই solute কাৰণে চাও তেতিয়াহলে numerator solute volume টো আহিব, যদি মই solvent কাৰণে চাও তেতিয়াহলে numerator solvent volume টো আহিব. Okay, so if I tell you calculate the volume by volume percentage of not HNO3 of যদি মই water কাৰণে উলিয়াব কওঁ তেতিয়া volume of solute জায়গাত মই volume of solvent লম, যেহেতু মই water কাৰণে উলিয়াইছো মই water volume টো ল'ব লাগিব। so 200 by 230 into 100 এটো বেলেগ কিবা এটা ওলাব, বেলেগ কিবা এটা নোলাই, এটো ওলাব 100 minus 13%, মানে 13% যদি volume by volume 13% যদি নাইট্ৰিক এসিড আছে তেতিয়াহলে বাকি পার্সেন্টেজ তো কি থাকিব, ওয়াটার থাকিব। দ্যাট মিন্স ওয়াটার পার্সেন্টেজ তো কিমান হ'ব, 100 minus 13% equals 87%. okay, the concentration of a solution in terms of weight by weight. Okay, weight by weight with respect to the solvent or with respect to the solute, we can do for both. So let us talk for solute. So it usually refers to the amount of solute present per 100 gram of solution. acha weight by volume e ki koisile, weight of solute present per 100 ml of solution, কিন্তু weight by volume e ki koisile, weight of solute present per 100 ml of solution, কিন্তু weight by weight e ki kobo, amount of solute present per 100 gram of solution. So amount of solute in gram. Okay, so weight by weight আৰু weight by volume difference to এইটোৱে, weight by volume আমি 100 ml কাৰণে কনসিডাৰ কৰো, weight by weight আমি 100 gram কাৰণে কনসিডাৰ কৰো। 100 ml or 100 gram both will be for the solution, 100 gram of solution or 100 ml of solution. Okay, so for example Z% weight by weight of a solution means that Z gram of solute is present in 100 gram of the solution. So যদি মই এনেকে কথা এটা কওঁ 3% NaCl weight by weight in water. So 3% NaCl weight by weight in water, that means it will tell me that 3 gram NaCl in 100 gram water. Okay, so 3% NaCl weight by weight in water means 3 gram NaCl in 100 gram of water. So how can I calculate? So weight by weight percentage equals to weight of solute by weight of solution into 100%. Weight of solute by weight of solution into 100%. Now weight of solution কেতিয়াবা weight of solution আৰু weight of solvent একেই নহব পাৰে, কেতিয়া নহব পাৰে যেতিয়া solute টো এটা liquid হ'ব। Please be careful while coming across such problems. So let us take a problem. Calculate the weight by weight percentage of a solution containing 24 gram sodium hydroxide in 500 ml of water. So মোক কি লাগে, weight by weight percentage লাগে। So if I tell you to calculate the weight by volume percentage, you divide 24 by 500 into 100. That is the weight by volume percentage. Now what do we want? We want the weight by weight percentage. So weight of solute is 24 gram. What is the weight of solvent, or what is the weight of solution? So solution, the volume of solution is 500 ml. Solution of volume to 500 ml. So what I have to find out what is the weight of 500 ml of water. Okay, so the density of water is 1.2 gram per ml. Water density 1.2 gram per ml. It mean kore 1 ml water weight to 1.2 gram. So 1 ml water weight to 1.2 gram. So যদি 1 ml water weight 1.2 gram হয় তেতিয়াহলে 500 ml water weight কিমান হ'ব, 500 into 1.2 gram হ'ব equals to 600 gram. So 500 ml water equals to 600 gram water. That means the weight by weight percentage equals to 24 gram, that is weight of solute by weight of solution 600 gram into 100 equals to 4% weight by, so 4% weight by weight. Now similarly in the same way we calculated molarity, আমি molarity calculate কৰিছিলো weight by volume or পৰা। Similarly we can calculate molality from weight by weight, ওকে, weight by volume ৰ পৰা molarity calculate কৰিম, weight by weight ৰ পৰা molality calculate কৰিম, weight by weight ৰ পৰা molality calculate কৰিম, weight by volume ৰ পৰা molarity calculate কৰিছিলো। So calculate the molality of a solution of 250 ml 5% weight by weight NaOH in water. So calculate the molality of a solution of 250 ml 5% weight by weight NaOH in water. So what is 5% weight by weight? 5% weight by weight NaOH in water means 5 gram NaOH in 100 gram water. Okay, 5 gram NaOH in 100 gram water. যদি 100 gram water 5 gram NaOH থাকে তেতিয়া হলে 250 ml মানে কিমান weight? 250 ml water means x gram water. So hey x gram water কিমান gram NaOH আছে? Okay, so you find kiman gram NaOH আছে, you find that out. Okay, you find the number of moles. After that you divide the number of moles by weight of this amount of solvent in kg using the density of water and send me.